I'm in.
This way, dudes.
Might makes right.
Hey,
get close,
it,
homies.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
homie? Don't
Yeah,
ever wear them shoes.
you try to get any of these
At least my
crackheads
woman
to
don't
help
turn
you out.
tricks, Mark. One of the families ain't up on it.
You hit
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly, Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blowed.
For sure.
Come on, man, move!
Get out the way, little bitch.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here for you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody
Whatever you
settled.
say, punk.
Oh, I see. I can't talk to you, homie.
Come on, get out of here.
Hey,
Don't block me, homie.
Underwear is overrated.
hey, your haircut is whack.
Go tell Daddy,
Ready
bitch.
when you are, homie. Hey, what's up with that? I thought we was folk. What up, family?
Shit is driving me nuts.
man, let me
Get
get
out
a
of my
squeeze.
way. Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
So what's been going down?
Blame those damn liberals.
Say, my man. Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality shit right here.
Hey, watch my feet, homeboy.
Hey, watch where you going, Mark.
Yo, where we at?
Hey, let me get a swallow of that.
Let's do it. Come on.
Hey, what's jumping? What is fool?
What's the plan?
Why you do that shit?
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey,
Blaze that
grab
back.
hold of that bat over there.
Head up.
Let me get out my seat.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
And don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers and pussies.
Hey, you think you hard? Hey, what up?
If I had room to drive, I'd ask
Hey, what's the holdup?
you. Just doing this to help my man get back.
There they go!
I'm warning you, motherfucker.
I'm gonna hold it down. Y'all roll. Perpetrator, what you gonna do about it?
Mark ass.
Hey, you better watch it. Take it like a woman.
Come on, Rod. Let's move on.
Hey,
Hey, you need a hold.
You got a dipso about
Yeah,
it.
punk, why?
I'm in.
Try again.
Hey, watch it, boy. It's G Street. Suck on my nine, ballers. What you doing?
Yeah, it's on now, punk.
Come on, boys.
What you dudes waiting for?
Hey, man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves. What you think now, fool? You should've stayed at home. Please, man, give me a break.
Hey, Buster, wait up.
Ballers getting the takedown.
My hand.
You wanna get shot, huh?
Crazy motherfucker. It's on now.
Don't you bust on me.
Cover me, cover me.
Just make a Kung Fu master. Good afternoon, ball of dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street goes down.
Ninja these
Whatever. You looked
motherfuckers.
at yourself recently?
Give me some down, homie.
Yeah.
Hey, man, don't be bumping into me, man. What up, family? Big balls is bad for your health. What you want, bro? You tripping, CJ. That's on the hood. Man, I'ma give you what you come for. Hey, you think you hard?
Move it, motherfucker. I'ma mess with your nervous system, boy.
Damn, gotta puke.
Don't block me, homie.
Let's go, bitch.
Give me a dap.
Yo, you think I'm a bitch, huh?
Ready when you are, homie.
You want some lead in you, huh?
Head up. Use your motherfucking eyes next time.
Now ballers know
Hey,
Grove Street
Playboy.
families on their way back up.
Homie. And what's more, you ain't
They
run out
all
on me.
mine.
Times change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
Man, I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the
Suck on my
silence of
dime,
victory,
baller.
motherfucker.
You and me, come on.
Can't touch me.
Oh, you want this to get nasty? We busting on four.
You won't know why you did.
That's
Why are
mine.
you disrespecting me?
Give it to them.
What?
Tough guy.
I'll take care of this. Take care of my kid. Let me handle this. You sure you want to do that? I've been trying all
Hey, nigga.
Get out of my way. Kung Fu master.
You a joker or something?
What's going on here?
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
All right, homie. I'll see you later.